It is the third week of building for the Metalskins here at Capitol Hill High School. The team has been busy completing the assembly of the robot frame and drivetrain. Team members have also started to focus on the electronics of the robot. Students are learning about the critical components of the electrical system and how they connect to one another. This includes components such as the robot controller, known as the RoboRio, the robot circuit breaker, known as the power distribution board, and speed controllers for controlling the amount of power flowing to the motors on the robot. When working with electricity, it's critical that you need to be safe.
And we're going to talk about properly wiring up a robot today. This is important because you want to make sure that you can't accidentally touch it and electrocute yourself, but you also want to make sure that you're not going to touch the frame of your robot anywhere and short anything out. So it's to protect you as well as the equipment. So there's several things that are always important that you need to pay attention to. One of them is making sure that you have the right gauge of wire for what you're using. For first stuff, you can always look that up in the rule book. You need to look in manuals when you're doing that for other things besides first. But when you are wiring up a robot, you want to make sure that you're stripping cleanly, that you're getting a solid connection on whatever connectors that you use. I like to use a shrouded connector so that when you plug it all together, there's nothing exposed already. It's important that you look for the break in the connector and put the point of your crimper on the other end of the break. You can always kind of tug on a wire that's been connected and make sure that it's got a good connector on there. The other thing is to ensure that after you've done everything, there's no exposed electrical wiring. It's all got some sort of cover, whether it's the insulation of the cable or the shroud on the connector, or it can be electrical tape, or it could be heat shrink.
Changing focus, some team members are working on other aspects of competition, such as the recording and production of video content. Using just the recording capabilities on their smartphones, students are learning and practicing key concepts about acquiring the shots for newscast-style videos.
So what I've learned so far in videotaping are panoramic shots and close-up shots. And I'm uploading any videos I take, any projects up to YouTube.
The Metalskins have a YouTube channel where content on the status of the robot and other projects are uploaded weekly. The team's Facebook page is also used to let students, friends, and family stay up to date on the efforts of the team. Team members are staying fired up as this week closes out. Stay tuned for our next weekly update from FRC Team 2461, the Metalskins.